Snapping turtles, like the ones in these images and videos taken in the 6.5 station Audubon Sanctuary in southeastern New York, snapping turtles are the largest turtles in the northeastern United States and the second largest terrestrial turtle of North America, surpassed only by the alligator snapping turtle. If you see an adult snapping turtle when you visit a wetland, it might represent the largest animal, at least by weight, that you saw that day, unless you happen to see a deer. Snapping turtles can weigh up to 35 pounds, while, for comparison, bald eagles can weigh 14 pounds and great blue herons can weigh 6 pounds. So, a snapping turtle might be the largest animal that you see. It also might be the oldest animal that you see. The average longevity for a snapping turtle is thought to be about 28 years, and lifespans of 38 to 40 years are known to be possible. And one study suggested that ages of over a century were possible. This is possible with other turtles. So, some of the snapping turtles that you observe in a wetland might potentially even be older than you are. Snapping turtles are omnivores, which you might observe swimming underwater as they pursue a wide variety of foods that they encounter in wetland habitats. They consume algae, carrion, and plant material can actually compose over a quarter of their diet, in addition to preying on a wide variety of animals. They can feed on insects and other arthropods, fish, frogs, snakes, birds, especially young aquatic birds, and small mammals. If you notice, say, the number of ducklings decreasing during the course of a springtime from the time that they hatch to the time that they develop their flight feathers, snapping turtles are likely to be at least partly to blame for this decrease. During one of our Audubon walks through the sanctuary this spring, a snapping turtle was observed crossing the Heritage Trail to return to the wetland. This was likely to be a female returning from laying her eggs. Females often travel to make their nests and may make round trips of up to 10 miles. Although snapping turtles may be 6 years old when they are reproductively mature, many reproduce only after 11 to 13 years or more. They can mate during the months of April through November, and females are capable of storing sperm for several years. In other words, a female could lay eggs fathered by a male she mated with up to 3 years before. Snapping turtles are most vulnerable when they are developing in their eggs and when they are young. Raccoons, crows, bears, foxes, mink, skunk, and hognose snakes can prey on eggs in the nest, while herons, egrets, bitterns, bald eagles, bullfrogs, water snakes, bears, otters, coyotes, and adult snapping turtles can prey on young turtles. Adult snapping turtles have few natural predators, although they can be killed by humans and occasionally by otters, coyotes, or black bears. Snapping turtles are thus one of the largest and one of the oldest animals that you might see in a wetland, where they play significant roles in food chains there.